كده عمل بترول كانوا عتال مؤسسة بدون مرقلاي مربوغ البلاو بيلوم برقلاي مرمسيل بلاو سوسل مورا بريزيدنت توكونس باولس سنت مع رجل سيناتورز سبيكر انستاسيو مع رجل ديليجاتس ديريغل جاستيس نيرايغلاو تشيف جاستيس نيرايغلاو مع رجل جاستيسز governor speakers mar bek la adar bela ngara blur ngaya mor hocharigi mangara ikla blur bela la alsilis e mal togobet surungil tutal mora media la tutal mal mrenga sulil ukno silma iti tal sangmeu emem gada gaso se adadu malungil tutal Mr. Oludong Mr. Clay Mr. Diaz ma Mr. Soley malungil tutal gido ngartel al tutal mongela vice president Director Minister of Finance, Minister MPII, OBM, Minister Jenkins, Minister Aitaro, Minister Victor, Director Minister Matul, Matogobetzel, Okyak Sangartil, IOM, Mr. Salvatore, thank you for being with us today. Di boktu sesel gora di update tergide ruerak maulal miskami Minister Matul. Qotulule mawsubasa parking taqora di erath di partra upgrade aiga upgrade al mor hospital madir upgrade in merteng tel building dangar alsela I think almost 80% riyam namo public health ele kada umralo sa taqora health riyad ma ayad lol dage milisira tigina health ma ga upgrades al malasim al improve access there are of course our patients and other get access I got program public health ma human services تجينا نروح ما ملا تشغل تلقي لا يلا تقول قاروس السبسيديس اللي كده ملامون دي رجل دي بوغوايس واسه قدام مرنا سولا بيلون ما غرامايون مارسل الوك منوسيلو ورم ترى أدرا هاوس سبيكر يغوني من سل I get tax refund $1 إلى الميل February 12 and 13 أسيد المملارة أمايون كلوب باركينج مدة أسرار آدم مدة قبورا ميون سكمرا أمايون ديريغل شاد اللي يقول تيالو أسين Minister can share more later تين لمريغل تال سانديم نبتوقع قرا بس Maria Tablol project cultural preservation asat kmo ise minister matule selmlo wal longat mokra diongra telwat ra blura ngaralong se malmongula se alamle first gora sa thing spar belaleng swimming pool mongel omngis di mnese drok mom gadol dingeri mesal wase I get close to trail do continue mngatmok ngot yakli belargid dirgalas mnese der morngar mlungui mno mesasel obla lang ngarangarak tagong ngel keng asu nguilan ngari activity le gadirgal partra hel der yed mo exercise msulang administrator to invite der yed mo godok master adra abdu مسجل مرك كبغلال بلا ما أقرأ مرين الأول يا هذا قدوا بلو المس I think are opportunity الجدام اللي سيرة تركلي برارجيت but at the same time tourism opportunities I can see باشين سيدنا المات مغلا ديرغل ناريا constitution ديرا بالوضع عن بانجا مستر دياس تل نوم لغل ويجن وقت منو celebrate 42 years congratulations to them ديرغل we were able to have a groundbreaking or opening ceremony with our friends from the IOM and India and South Africa combined help create the best teacher training center. So that bring us to the Girel Eli. Egada ngilu sel wal official note and nara Peace Corps was at the moot and open sel Peace Corps program ablur belo. كده مقطع لو تاني واسين كلوتو تلمر بالواد مقطع مرمرنا سولا رامبيجل من الموت الموبنرسي so دي وقت يجي ده بيكون تعال المسا منستر متول مع هذا تجار سبيشال جست كده الآن تتاو bolo uko ICC program artil el morur sel wal got el migration policy ra blur bela. So sula.
Man sula president ma vice president rogol ministers e ngil tutaro mora adra bela rogui mara adra media. Kita ngal tanga tengania partner gidra IOM, International Organization of Migration. El ngartanga angel Chief of Mission, Ramay Cornijal Salvatore Sortino, Mangel Guk Head of Sub-Officer Palau, El Johan Sera Rath. Dire kalobangga Guk omtera gid le Bureau of Human Resources ergid, ma Division of Employment Services, el Director Nabeama, ma Director Wanda Ramalig, Chief Wanda Ramalig. Tal l'Uriol Bodorungi adra media ma Presidenta ahora bol uibegel statements tirakti gora smodil ngedel toga gora giblo momes el gora swad el momsub. Agoten a migration at teletelia adel mrael. Matrigel adel mesoyis berbela ol adra model blue. Awa so del gora momsub seguido el teletelia el maguk gel gora molud ma pala seguido el sei. Ongerunga toga climate change. Etya magasal ada gora link ra migration ma climate change diesel bodo su berngi trigel adal kera igal gora kula blu ngar bitara da tel climate change alora la da bol morbab engiri trigel adal diregal mo bol moral mora abebul agev mendregal mo affect ra gegel klangar adal kera igal coastline agid ma igal ngara outlying states esel mo ngedei etara gotur klol domes ngil giradal momsu berngi toy sel guk adra belau to adra belau kadam garang e momsut modam garang el mutulo luter tilmer belau seguida comese president amna duling klo lomsu bulgira del mo meset mung ngaray gel bodorul trangting taluyor si el mutar adal mer belau makoramul mo seguida suakal bay wa te al gukum sa Mr. Salvatore mung mok muy gel gukul adra OEM e guk ngani guk poldu chief gidra a Division of Employment Services.
Thank you very much. Thank you. His Excellency, Mr. President, Honorable Madam Vice President, Honorable Minister Matul, and Honorable members of the Cabinet, distinguished members of the press, thanks so much for this opportunity. I will read now a statement for the launch of the project with regard to the migration policy. The government of Palau is developing its first ever migration policy with technical assistance from the International Organization for Migration, IOM. The Republic of Palau faces unique migration challenges and opportunities due to its geography, level of economic development, urbanization, as well as increasing impacts of climate change and the Compact of Free Association Agreement with the United States, which allow Palauans nationals to live and work in the US without a visa or work permit. The full potential of migration to contribute to the socio-economic development of Palau remains untapped, however, due to the lack of dedicated policies. Against this background, IOM, with the support from the IOM Development Fund, will support the government of Palau develop a national migration policy. Enhanced coordination and data analysis will be essential to ensure that a holistic approach is taken to address migration management in all its aspects, from labor migration and development to regulating migration and managing displacement and forced migration. At its inception, the project will specifically support the development of our research on current migration trends to and from Palau, ensuring that an evidence-based approach informs the development of the policy. The project will also help build capacity by providing trainings on IOM flagships Essentials of Migration Management training curriculum for government officials of the multi-sectorial body in charge of leading the policy development. Importantly, the policy will support incentives to encourage the return of Palauan nationals living abroad, facilitate human mobility in the context of climate change, and mainstream and clarify procedures pertaining to the recruitment of migrant workers. The development of the policy will be supported by the Palau Coordinated Border Management Working Group, with the Palau Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism and Development providing leadership for the initiative as one of the members of the group. IOM will provide technical support and capacity development to the Palau Coordinated Border Management Working Group to draft and finalize the policy. Thank you very much.
Elakpol ngitra Chief Maldil Suel Loidisen Motocorbela.
Yo yadel el tigingel atra IOM. Katangel amongat maklel a Palau National Migration Policy logi wangeswa International Organization for Migration. Am travelur bela amongat mokla rakatangel a National Migration Policy logi wangaseo the International Organization for Migration. Abela wa amao akmal patok ultaet mate al girela togoy the migration logi wakot tatur ulle la balwadra al selataheyo jagar firgit ongeru ngeisai level of economic development ongede takaklel abalu maraat amasuba togoy ra arroida urbanization ngada ela teletele layang the climate change mongeye mel compact la bangela balura mrigel el mesquita te al el que orior balura mrigel el de gadospe avisa mal ubeng work permit migration aklo at ellel el maktub ab esel kser ra adrabalu ma omilyu la ke saira balu social economic development el ngia dirga gadawes el ndega lo uth ra migration ngogi waigang al baldukla البلغرادة International Organization for Migration لوجيو IOM Development Fund among وسوجيد اللوسيا National Migration Policy أول دقة لوريور ربطق الآذ مع الآذ maungil gadula o ur ang wasuwir tiang lumasuba alsum okla batokal talang tangi la migration alngi ol nga seura tokoy rauriol kat maklel la maklakar o sab aklir arang aso la maradal lorim la au ale laurior tiang project tamasuba teletele la migration la raaf almetmura balwath matabadira raadre al time tiang amultuira Klabada lomsub evidence-based ang mga pokler ng itiyala. Tiyam lomsub at direk al mga sew ang malisi aklaw tangera other warrior logi wawsi sa Accra International Organization for Migration al vairingiya Essentials of Migration Management Training Curriculum. Al morar other kakaro sa talang tangila amta longara ala tokoira la maokot maklel. Akot nga ruel tangatangil tiala amom sub raral dos peringil mga susew rar other belaw wal care roid al mut al mer belaw direk al mol nga sew rasam aklir ar adal nga al sel belaw al gira la toyra climate change mamade vai se blagatak blagarada al gira skir ar ngot al other ngot al balloon meurier belaw akat makil tiala amawaki wa badsa aldareda al mora Palau Coordinating Border Management Working Group ya Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism and Development among or ale lorior lolgege daro ultalang tangil tialurior MHRCT TV adirek al-alaf al-ngar al-seltial working group Officer International Organization for Migration na ungaseo technical support ta capacity building almora Palau Coordinated Border Management Working Group al girel on mal asel tiala.
Sige presente kung so lang adi lungil adik introduce trika de tara entetil ngar belal malpto ka ngar belal lodorngi bukul ngi tra Johan can introduce the members of your team.
And all women I see.
Would it be possible for each of them to introduce themselves? I think that's the
Yes,
right thing.
that'd be perfect. Yeah.
Posh, why don't you start?
Giltutaw nga ka Portia Casoley, nga ka National Program Support Officer IOM. Currently, I'm working on impact. That's inclusive migration and preparedness in action. Labanggalani mo help upgrade the shelters al-time ra olay. All ngarad all is ngarad ngiwal sel para multiple cultural center para ngiwal magdira kang SR sel para kang usang.
Thank you.
Malungit tutaw ang klarasin ni Fitzpai administrative and finance assistant ra IOM ak support team for all the projects that are going on ra IOM sila.
Ngito tao rokoy nga ka Ashley Umetaro yang ka National Program Officer el handle of food security projects ra IOM. As of right now, I'm working on a project that's integrating sustainable agriculture practices ra a school ra Belamodak nga school, specifically tel community ra ibabang.
Ali malungit tutaw ng Yumi Morishita Amashol, nga ka Senior Program Assistant, makun nga sir active naman ka project ra Inspiring Women sa advancement ra last year. Elangak mo nga sir tayo del BS el National Migration Policy. Sulang.
Sige de presente aquí, bro. Solo.
Kuman Sulang, I just want to add a few words. First of all, thank you, Mr. Salvadore, for being here these past 2 weeks. I think it's been a very busy 2 weeks.
Indeed.
I've attended, would be the third event that IOM is involved in, or I think fourth, because the first one was the workshop to strengthen Palau's preparedness for climate change. And the next one was the RISE tip. That was about getting us off of Tier 2, right? Moving us to Tier 1. And then, of course, yesterday was the new teacher training center. And today, of course, the policy. So I just want to thank the IOM for really increasing the partnership and the development of so many important programs to help the citizens and the people that are living in Palau. So thank you, and thank you for joining us today and being here. So I don't know, Vice President, you want to say something about CTIP?
Oh, Mr. President, malungit tutaw, media, marpekada rohoy, and Mr. Salvatore, I'm glad that it's a segue into my comments. IOM has been really one of our strongest partner with work at anti-human trafficking working group. So I'm very happy to have been for IOM to have been part of the launching of the USAID Pacific Regional Initiative and support for more effective counter-trafficking in persons. Say the Pacific Rise. Si tipal nga belaw, magidam la mo tuloy ra segi del linge, sulo maski da Asia Foundation, the mo tuloy ra balu ra Fiji, Papua New Guinea, ma Republic of Marshall Islands, Matonga, el mokti ra tial nge suldo la linge mo malisi national response to get 4 P's. Thank you, Mr. President, able mention or segi the launching, protect, prevent, prosecute persons who are charged with trafficking in persons violations in our criminal laws. And then finally, partnership with IOM as well as USAID and the Asia Foundation. So thank you so much, IOM, for your support, which really resulted in us moving from Tier 2 watch list and mora Tier 2, and hopefully moving forward in mora Tier 1. So the President signed the proclamation, Anti-Human Trafficking Awareness Month for this month of February. Thank you, media, for being here. We'll be reaching out to you for more publication, information about the events that we plan for to bring awareness to the issue. And I also thank Minister Matul, my Chief Ramalig, tamo guest Lobangel, Mr. Asterio Takashiro, Vice President, Kluko kara Ministry of Justice, MOJ Family R, Guk Mamsader Selurere la Labor, in the efforts to eradicate human trafficking Rabulur Belau. And I'm very happy to say comment in special remarks by the President, unacceptable. So human trafficking in all its forms, unacceptable Rabulur Belau ling kidatial madingek wasing seltokora modern form of slavery as employers and get the longil hara our employees they make sure that we are following the terms of contract tir itiadola passport our employees so that's going to be the outreach and awareness. So thank you, IOM.
Thank you so much.
We can do a quick picture?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, got it. Thank you. Oh, I'm behind.
come. Okay, guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Miss Willa. IOM.
Dolmol mara press conference again. Dikmo tell sa Mr. No. You want to say something? No.
Thank you.
No, about refunds and anything. No.
Payments of checks.
Thank you, Mr. President. And you had mentioned earlier the payout that's planned for Monday next week and Tuesday. It'll be at the Amayong Center. We're very fortunate to have support of both Bilung and the House of Delegates speakers specifically to help us arrange a better location for the disbursement of those checks. The notice has gone out that references proof of citizenship, something that we're working through this first time around that we'd like to further explain. If you're able to bring your passport, that's the best proof of citizenship that we can use to verify eligibility for the refund. But if your passport is not available, at least bring your birth certificate, and we can use that to try to process your application for the refund. During the last press conference that this subject came up, there was a question on the numbers, so I was able to get some numbers from the tax office to further explain a little bit of what is the impact of this refund that we're expecting for next week. We are refunding taxes paid for salaries and wages for the year 2023, and that's the calendar year, January to December 31. And the number of people that we are expected to be servicing out of 12,181 employees that are registered as having paid salary and wages tax. There are 5,549 that are Palauan. The number that earned $15,000 or less in wages that are eligible for the refund is 3,219, which is about 17% of the total employees paying taxes last year. The total amount that we expect to pay out is $1,852,947. So this is just for the records that we have. There are a few employers that have not finalized their W-2s, or there are issues with the W-2s that they submitted versus our records on how much they paid. So there might be some cases where there is a delay in processing the payment, but we have a special desk set up for that. And our goal is to pay out as much as we can to those people who are eligible as quickly as possible and with the least amount of difficulty. So just to help people understand what we're expecting for next week. The other question was about non-resident workers. Non-resident workers represent, that were paying salary and wages tax last year, represent about 35% of the total number of workers that pay taxes. That's about 6,632 employees. The ones who earn less than 15,000 is about 5,888. So it's a large number of people in the non-resident, non-citizen category that are in that category of 15,000 or less. That was the question that was posed to me, and I promised I would look that up, so I'm sharing that with you today. Thank you.
Can you just clarify the numbers again? Comment. Still 12,000 and mothering in other law, 5,000 549 other Palau.
5,549 are citizens.
Out of that citizens, you're saying 3,219 today fall under 15,000.
Correct.
No, I think it's 1,000. I'm not sure.
3,219 are in that category.
3,200.
Today for say the category 50,000 and below.
Yes.
Okay, I got a question in regard to the same issue. I'm concerned about those people that are off island and qualified recipient of requirement. Off island meaning they relocate back to the United States or they live somewhere else other than Palau. What are we going to do about those people?
They're eligible for the refund. It's a matter of being able to receive that check and sign off on the application that's required by law. But I'm sure that we would be able to work with them directly. If you see the notice, it provides contact information, and we can work on that directly with them as needed. But we try to make this disbursement as easy as possible. If we have record of people that fall within this category, we do have a list that we can check for those people who are eligible but may not be here.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Minister, 3,219 eligible. Kamating ila sa tila ang private sector at ang government. Do you know? I'm sorry.
No, we did not break that down in the report, but I can get that information for you later.
Tell us the total employment of the 12,000.
12,181 are those that we registered in the tax system as having been employed and paid taxes last year.
Okay. Maybe I can maulan sa Minister Matul and Mr. Jenkins. Can I just update us on programs sa kamila with our youth? Certification programs?
Yes, dilungila dele Minister Jenkins. So sera last Sunday kada ngal tangat sa report mo trigel teya el ngal Palau High School mlomalar sel advanced course ragidele 4 seasons at they were tiram la momrek ulum lo dakal momre gra last week mlagira del alsil se gora celebrate tial lam se del almando fully booked mung te ulungi tergama pumem the break up peringi mung tingi te tirar te wara last week el almel Sunday et momre tergel tewang mowal te al adre el anga mo sebedel mutnamo advanced open water certified e also sil timing tengilu sel guk certificate ra togora marine science mulbungela omsubela togora marine science so the report at mung direk ngarnya la guk nastata line abrangal kal sorry mumular ter program wa yak medel lui matay melngal el na sign up guk mursel next el daw mung tianga del open mo Palau high school kadangal tanga sel grant el mosela president el ngu adirgal open tial mora private high schools mo al dul no bangela aigal baby ra private high schools el dirgal ol sis brangal kringi el asel next el daw e president agina audio lo bangela Koror state mo ni al dul al week el mo subir triga del te al ngal gal morsel next el phase el guk mo o malara del CPR certification artir ya we say eto bangela Koror state el mo is el tour guide license tira Koror state musil dingar al sel high school lang mo certified el tour guide seguido con $1 سبل المرأة البدولني ملاسم الألمال اللي جد intercession إن سبب السكيل اللي مكتوب بتوقعنا المسؤول من الباقل $1 سبل المرورني سيناتور دياس di angal ka di top high school engania betul certificate el mungkal ada ngania duringi mal albora pi gidel PCC temorada inga ke kesengileng sebedel guk check mar ke gidel el ngara chaga tertir malubong resume tertir el ngara sola minister del el doele please.
I'd just like to add a few things. I want to thank Minister Matulis for working with us on this. This is a great opportunity for our students. This is just one academy in the high school that we're working with in order to give students greater skills. So upon graduating from high school, they'll be qualified and trained so they can enter the job market should they choose to do so. We've been working for the past almost a year now with Minister Matulis, to get a program for students in the business academy to specialize in finance, so they'll be able to assist our financial management. We've also initiated discussions with Minister Victor regarding agriculture, which is one of our other very important issues, to get our students involved more in the agriculture as business elements. And finally, our goal is in our Construction Technology Academy. We hope to bolster that to make it more of an IT academy, and we've been initiating discussion with the ambassador from Taiwan to have an online coursework for a higher level instruction in computer technology, such as coding, gaming, as well as applied statistical opportunities. So all of those things are designed for the students who may want to pursue more advanced degrees will be able to do so, or especially with the 4 seasons, enter into their 1-year internship immediately upon graduation. And so this way, be prepared to help us, as we found the job market for our students is, they're not prepared at that right now to enter into it. So this is all an opportunity to make those academies much more vibrant and much more professionally oriented. Thank you.
President Aktere kaliso kalawring asule la Neko Marine leng direct partner gid Sam's Tours magid le Fish and Fins trigi direct partner gid tel lurior sula
sula هذا بي open ولا الجرا لا كيرمان هذا come
Ask a question sarang President first era obes sokla Vice President ngaringi telurar anti-trafficking kuram kataktal maral ngaringi adam la prosecuted for anti-trafficking mo makalbusol girel since kalomon medela
Komeng ay kura information ra gidele beyond last year. I would need to look at our records. And we've had a couple of cases that were filed by the Attorney General I believe it was last year, mang mo sa ama report. Memo ko ay silwase because of the coordination raw your Minister Matul Minister ay taro Minister Jenkins mas nanti ka Minister Rahel kung nga sel anti-human trafficking working group family protection act working group maybe I get ngaria investigation and then it's based get investigation ng katmokologi wa sel anti-human trafficking unit ngila division of transnational crime at Bureau of Public Safety and then transmitted al mora ay gagawin office attorney general for prosecution. Michael investigation that are ongoing investigation hindi nga kora tiso kalo o titiagi del wase alkora kire del ko amok la karal kire ngania maklo al other belao al traga maklo maybe in their 70s or some in the 80s al takhaira adra Bangladesh engkal adra Bangladesh sabay osperang klelang kay gidiel employer ngi pai kora run ay kaldom kadong alwas front business to bayal kora tira orurta lo sigra additional adra Bangladesh al me o kore tira then kora wayal employer lo top der tira kiti el blalngiti tiril me al momru legal lurior wayal kora employer tokal ade ol ngasewal lo merker tira lo rio lo bentrira arbebira adra arbelo so to answer your question I know of 2 cases are last year but coming beyond that I'd need to look at the records para sa te ala minister tol tang la swal comment okay
the follow up question so vice kami mention was in status sergi lang at tier 2 so a question was what would it take for Palau and mga level na ngil mo ba mga tiruan
kamal masara malungil ke the celebrate sa nga president whips ra sera sora last year almle amendments and more tiagid yal sel mlarngil lo udol already in place ligara la against human trafficking se taramle lulungar iringi so Miguel US State Department would tell us say kagita ko recommendation natin mal si edel gut mokla say ya leng umatiagid amle osngela US State Department del mergid awa say kami watia kamral bla kami prosecute igel crimes involving public officials that in fact the sales the charger tire lobongeng they call it slap on the wrist and tira time tira distrira fine and it's because kom tira really blakarang miu mesel la el signer nga president mlamola regider elang remove or sell discretion ra judge define mal ubeng jail. So we met with the judges. We told them the proposed amendments before al sign mola. Idir nga olbi. Ito say malungil. Remove or tell discretion or ma'am. Lakam liang alwa say fine or imprisonment. Iagim apply fine only mdulwa say ngaraman di ka imprisonment. Remove or say mang say gidya amendmental biggest amendment of sila ilang sel convicted other human trafficking and girel nga niya balsel lobals by fine and also girel serve time in jail ako manalwa say gid magidel mula national planner gid standard operating procedures for identification of victims lang direkal mal ni gid provide the protection maktiri ka mal nga sula president lang through our relationship with the government of India, itam la ko ngel mo miskida build a shelter for us, which will provide protection, house our victims not only victims of human trafficking, but victims of domestic violence. Say agirel mo all through a tigidel ngesura government of India. So I hope I answered.
Maybe cluster question na nga kaya iti ruba malenser ko kaya karir. Te ako ra kawe Minister Jenkins. Understand the kaya sala se lobby sala special ed program. La mo close la mainstream more restaurant school. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Thank you for that question, Elaine. Let me give you some background information that for the prior six years, the Ministry of Education has been in a state of non-compliance with our special education program. Basically, that means we were not meeting the terms of our grant. We received a notification from the Office of Special Education. Oh, I could turn that. We received notice from the Office of Special Education that we had 60 days to make adjustments to that, or we may lose our funding. This is a significant grant which we use at the ministry strictly for special education. And as a result, we made some adjustments, and part of that was we found that the primary criticism of our program was that we were not providing services to the children. That was the primary problem. So we made adjustments by taking the people who were the consultant resource teachers, who are basically specialists, and instead of them being centralized in an office, we put them in the schools where the special needs children are attending, so they can be directly involved with the educational process. So that's the background. Unfortunately, we did not notify the Karor State Land Authority of this change, and they they believed the problem we had abandoned the office since we moved our people out of that office into the schools. The other issue was that we had our acting director, who was temporarily assigned to move to Imalik to cover our special education teacher who had just resigned during the Christmas holidays. So there was a lack of people going in and out of the office, which they assumed was a abandonment. So we received a letter from the governor and from the chair of that committee to that effect, whereupon we immediately scheduled a met with the governor the next day, explaining what we had done and where we were going, and then he referred us to meet with the committee of the land, which we met with on Wednesday, I believe, and thankfully Minister Obiang was there, and he briefed us with what to do. And so we were able to have, I think, a very constructive meeting, and we look forward to meeting with them again next week, and I'm fairly comfortable that we'll come to a resolution of this issue to everybody's satisfaction. Thank you.
I'll follow up pa Obiang. Can I just ask you one more question following up on that? Material ngal mla school special ed at Tangara school again. Where are they? The kids that were being taught in that.
There were not classes being held there. They were where their meetings were. They would be given assessments there. There was a physical therapy facility for them who needed it. So it was a needs coming in and out. So there were offices there. All of our records were kept there because it required to be in a very secure location. So most of our special needs children, those who are able, are actually either mainstreamed or temporarily or mainstream to some courses, but the special education teachers are in the schools with them at all times. So if we have one special needs student in a school, we provide a teacher for that. The other thing, and thank you for bringing this up, is that we have now 20 teachers who are going to be receiving their bachelor's degrees with specialization in special education, and they'll be receiving those in December. So that will give us a much stronger teaching cadre to help out those students in need.
So I think you would explain more facilities to help 18 to 21.
Yeah. Thank you. We also found, as a part of our non-compliance, is that we were not addressing the needs of children or young men and women from 18 to 21 years of age, which we are required to do so. So that was part of our modification in doing that. So we were looking at making some facility for them to be able to go and learn to transition into moving into employment or more useful use for their lives by basic skills in office work or different issues. So that would be the transition of that. So we needed to clean out some of the materials that were there in order to do some minor renovation to the coursework. So I think that was also a misunderstanding in that they saw desks and chairs which were being taken out and were actually being donated to Maristella School as they had requested some student desks and chairs which we were not going to be needing in there at that time. So that was another issue. But the transition facility is one that we're looking, is a very important facility, and a lot of it came as a result of the Day of Disability, where we actually got to meet with the parents and the children who are no longer in school, but still have special needs, but they were not having their needs met by our program. They will be very soon.
Lagerti aktimo do ela yeldilu Minister Jenkins agidilang almora omitra a leadership Oro State kadamrenga sulir el direcal el mindful luaset tirgai tirgel hotel lo spe angeso el ngalgara school mal ubetang legedar other belau el al time Minister Jenkins sa direcal lu aisertil wase the 97 al ngalga ngara classroom el angal tirgelo spe ngara under tel program e direcal lo nga seur tirgel waisel de lir tirgel tru me el mo lu matar krir tiram na top der high school en din dia ka kungil program ra aureor galeis el seberil moringire krel belau meringala do titril mo tol nga seur segi del gora transitioner tir e prepartir lo sispertir kada merenga sulim no samamal adadu metam no understand that neither tial el building el waseng gire del malmol e diregal silbe de trir el wase namo el maral douro retiang e alagal ababiel mera minister maradalo wase anexir er adame assess el requirements al sukumendiagen sabel jeopardize tial grant el monsieur tirgai del ngalgedal ngara special edama ar sensei le trainer tiram do tiram marogil program mang aldado amral loban trim tibodo o dengel wasen diaka dimdo waiselo gornga minister activity tirgid mengil kuk mo dal in and out el mara classroom me ay al akoram lo endi kama mamal mol mar aldado e kita merenga sulil direkal mal attentive kirela tial issue ma a program ra tirgal special students
tegid ekor kawe president malbetel tablolgen makting muskawe agote se report ngara Washington DC mail was el 7 point something billion mora aigal trill compact states adim lakal sis brasel supplemental budget ram rigel wangara affecting ir bela el awamul sem lamos el musois bra o ingrar buil rela ragle langari abol affecting ir bela ongerul gera sen ngelo se como announce ra el weekend mo agrigo se el momento aigal murgor ragen sem lo sen ra aikel del maklul toil mal maklul toil lam gat mokra administration no en raigel kuk tirgamde ledel kla tirgamde el digal complete el bom complete e kuk raigel kuk moral me raigel moral me lewarrak sula
sula Mr. Urodong malungil kamla duli makmal invite ragal mera koksay swelve mara February 11 makam men saigel rogui el ka siya bay man mo help ka gunitra minister udoy lugar di update tigid ra tokora compact and yeah sure.
All right, I guess there are two issues involved in that question. The first one is, we need the money to fund our budgets. Tourism and our economy have not rebounded. So the first one is this money would really help us buffer some of these challenges we're facing now with the weakened economy, and then later on with the volatility that we normally experience in our economy from year to year. We had been told that initially, after signing the agreement, that had hoped to get the agreement passed by Congress in September. And we have been in constant communication both with the executive branch of the United States as well as both houses in Congress, meeting frequently and sending letters and whatnot to just express to them our position and how important this is to us and also to the United States. So the issue has of the 3 compacts with the 3 FAS states is well understood by the U.S. Unfortunately, they also face several challenges, primarily the deficit, which they have passed a law for that controls how large the deficit can become before there are automatic cuts to the budget. Another challenge for us has been that the funding that we require, we demanded would be mandatory funding, like their first compact. The new rules for budgeting in the United States requires identified offsets. They need to identify where the money is coming from. So it's a very challenging hurdle for U.S. Congress to pass these particular laws in this environment. So even though they had told us that they had hoped to pass get the legislation passed sometime in September, we thought that it may take them longer to get this passed, and that's what we're experiencing now. So if you look at the budget proposal for Palau for FY24, you'll see that we have planned for a stopgap. We still do believe that the U.S. Congress will act on our appropriations within the next few months, but we will still conduct the budget based on resources that are available. So on the question of the compact, we do expect that they will pass it. It's later than they had expected, but a little bit later than what we had expected, which was past September. And then the budget issue we are currently working on now, you know that there's a supplemental budget in front of Congress, our Congress, to fund PUC, to give them some support to maintain lower rates for on the tariffs, and then we're also planning on giving additional funding to the pension plan to keep their trust funds up a little bit as we wait for employment contributions and other resources that are given through PPEF and other sources to help fund the trust fund to delay the collapse a little longer. So, I mean, the pension is important. And maybe, Mr. President, if I can mention, there was that article I just saw in the paper from the Island Times, the editorial, maybe not an article, and it talked about the PGST. And I think at this time when things are still difficult for many people, I think it's good that we don't confuse the public. This is not a PGST reform. This is a tax reform, a comprehensive tax reform. And that tax reform, we put in a very efficient and effective tax, which was the PGST. And we knew that there would be an increase in cost to people once as we implemented this tax. But this tax replaces other taxes that were already paid. So it's not 10% that was raised. It's not a 10% inflation. We already were paying 4% GRT and a 3% import tax. And then for those businesses who were not the primary importers, they would have to buy from another importer, and you would add another 4%, what we call cascading. So there were taxes that were already paid as high as 11, 12%, 13% in some instances, depending on where you were in the value chain of a business. So the PGST did benefit a lot of businesses, and those savings we expect to be passed on. Unfortunately, because of the Ukraine war and challenges with COVID and increased shipping costs, most of the prices in Palau went up. Even without PGST, this would have happened. So I think it's important to know that this tax reform was very timely, even though it's a bit painful, because we are going to need this funding for pension plan, for the tax refunds, for the $60 a week increases for our government employees. And the reform also includes lower taxes for smaller businesses, the flat tax that we had implemented. And many people are still on the GRT system. So it's not that much of a change for most of our businesses. People also have to realize that, Palau is in a different situation than we were before COVID. We were declared a higher income classified country, meaning we don't get grants anymore. It's been very difficult for us to make that argument to our partners and our donors to give us grants for a lot of these things, even for some that we talked about today, for these new buildings from India that we need for social programs. So, I mean, that money has to come from somewhere, and it's intended to come from ourselves, from our higher income economy. Right now, when we look at how much we actually raise to fund our operations of the government and our capital projects, we're only talking between like 30 to 50% of what we spend. I mean, it depends on what year and how much taxes, but we are seeing already that this tax reform is taking us to that place where we don't need to rely on other people to give us grants that they don't want to give us anymore. So I think it's important, when I saw that article, that these thoughts came out, and I wanted to make sure, I've said it during the hearing with the Senate, and I say it during these public opportunities where I can help people understand exactly the situation we are in regarding PCST and the rest of the tax reform.
Let me just clarify, since we're talking about that. I think one important thing that was in that article, it said that 78% radang ariu dudira through email telal. Minister adri nombre kam ski dagat statistics was ngedel telal irtigal email telal other belau. مملكة refund. And I think سيلجيرة المقتكرين مراد رابلوها مولتو يرتيال تقشوي from البلادر اللي يجي ذا بناموس إذا ما يقالوا ذو البلادو سيس الدايركت مالوغا ذو موسو سرر أدر بيلو سيجي كلول الچنج يرتيال تقشوي from لو ما سير تريجل قطروس بعنيسو. So that's what February 12 is about. The one ما سير تريجل القطروس بعنيسو. قال whether sell article am sadra sende qadon ma sortir. I think it's exactly the opposite. So كده باي كلو تو ذا. Let me just explain a compact الطور بلا الديريغا. Compact هذا دغني لو سين كده من ساين يري رامي expect هذا رامي لو سين October 1st تيانا متوي. دي كده دغني ريكسير كده متي هذا رامي سيرا تملا بريزنتوري بيون تيجي التورا budget offset على البنك من 8 years لو مدوري الباقين for the ملوسي الباسري. سيل كده ناو بتقول البرا أمريكا لو مدور تيجي other Congress are both side. That means Democrats and Republicans. سيلو مدور كده ما تيجي مرابواي to support التيارتوي. دي كده أمريكا سيل برا أمريكا لنا سيل كده كل politics are مرتر سيل. Trump has rejected the border deal. Rejected ang sell current el supplemental. Ela lo mismo sing agale la galora. Le tu ngale Johnson. Tia luk tebdia compactral sel. Johnson ase it's dead on arrival. Like tia politics al sel blue rambrigel mangaria uktrase. Kad medru trongo sia compactral sel. So all we can do ndiga se the predictor wasing magaram rigel leng it's hard to predict what politics are doing. The sell the ruling, real actions and give them rule. Of course, what Jeff Farong are sell lobby on our behalf. Give them Namot Makid ma FSM Marshall as president. Look, Tirgal sell Eli, more Tirgal Matakala, all be a blue and regal. Mutro Maklat Kertir, Telbi, Mangaran, Eonitro say. مريض تبدي تيانا جايزارة بلو ماما وتوير تيالغام بقى من أجيب بارتر ولاد الدورول الميك شورا سي علي لقما بس رقمام tiak ko tutrel egiran mok lamang kadam nam dengel ase tiamo titwa maula ka bacha te blada paseringia amla regel step cap measures aljan di aurera da agiran malmon megidam de ase sel full budget trablu am regel agirel march tuk temne postpone te drabol kana continuing temelo obama temna continuing 8 years we hope and they don't know continuing but
Melasel meamle budget ra 2 million tuobra investment ram rigil. Segom latbdi last figure gumesangira investment rigida 270 million. Amna sa latbdi tiagidel 2 million el stop cap solution el algo lo say.
So far hablado drawdown ya di 5 million.
Okay.
Kadirga.
Mundela 25.
Well, there. 5 million or sell 15.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ikida dirga model sell hotel sell mamalani.
Oh, okay.
Ay. Di agira del mamalai. Sea dolo gore adram rigelo ase. Ndi kalso mamrutri, ndi sum digal sebela gima.
Ndeka me gudu sitti alla question mara vice president ko ardile malsa to ko ardile ma. Mloang ratiale galom tergi de mara nauru tiale Pacific Pasen.
Okay. Adir kamral masaul Mr. Uludo mal masaul la kalemis Palau Tiraya Antonio ma amlo join sel Miss Pacific pageant al mlaringira na oru. Ngkal Miss Palau ulbangger al mura airport al mlo mukay ra President Adeyang ra Nauru sel al misel inaugural Nauru Airlines al Palau December 1, 2023. Maka tong ok al bangaring president nga tong okra klisi era Miss Palau mak-introduce nyo luwasay nga Miss Palau ti Raya Antonio ang kagitali Presidenta Nauru Presidenta Adeyang say you should come to Nauru mo nga pageant ra Miss Pacific and it was a very short time to prepare and then wow, what a great exposure for us. Almost the join or say the Miss Pacific. Mang maldimle kadebal time preparation or give, but it was a great exposure. No sabi Miss Bella mo join or sel pageant. At malmang asule la adalara Miss Joyce Antonio mangkali Jasmine Isa, kan sabi iral travel loving mo. And congratulations on mora Miss Samoa, lingirela Miss Pacific. And dahil lo oil to southern PIF, it's solidarity of Pacific community. Mga meron mo dula simlo sabi ilal madim le short notice yung kung ngil mo lom tera Miss Palau mallogi utang mal marang asulela minister matul adra PBA Palau Visitors Authority ngel director Raymond Augusta marokil other Palau I saw such positive response that I creel maal sila balur Palau al kirel angkal Miss Palau al maralmle represented with elegance and with style at the very young age of 18 years old. Mang dabay marang asulil mo sabi el representative able sabi el ma-join ra a Pacific community though rio el girela next Miss Pacific and thank you for that question. Ngal gradas padal matatira kol malung ilan mo dul say ngonte era Regidal Mlortegi the event. At the invitation of President Adeyang, who I believe paid for all the expenses. Yes? Di lang why misala First Lady. First Lady Valerie Whip sa amlang donation rin support. Hindi ako donate, hindi ko mal-support fully with my heart, my encouragement.
Malik kwigal follow up wera loral mortal bitanga minister udoy so with the 15 million that we normally pull out of the compact every year, plus a 30 million, we're talking about possibly taking out 50 million from our investment. 45 coming. So what do you see as the possible impact of that on our investment, and will that be replenished down the road?
Well, we expect that the market returns is on the decline. Although the latest jobs report for the United States was higher than expected, we still believe, along with all the investment managers, that the trust fund values, the returns will be going down. We are below where we were 2 years ago in the value. As of 12/31, we were at 290 million for the compact trust fund. So, I mean, ideally, we want to see the fund grow, not take out too much while it's trying to recover its previous value. So, I mean, as the President said, we've just drawn 5 million, and we're already in the second quarter of the year. So we are trying to hold the draw on the 15 million and looking for additional funds to substitute having to draw the additional 30. But that is always available to us. I'd rather we draw the money and use it for a lot of these important programs to help rebuild the economy than to worry too much about the trust fund. We are getting another 100 million from the Compact Review Agreement once we do have Congress pass the agreement. So that will also help us build. But I mean, I think it's responsible not to draw too much on your savings. But understandable now because of this problem with the economy. Also, there is other source of money that we had planned for as backup, which is the loan from the Asian Development Bank. We are currently working on meeting the conditions for that loan, so I can negotiate and sign that agreement probably in the next 2 months.
Tutaw President, Vice President Maribek. Question nga kamora Minister at mutu lama Jenkins any one of you. So kung na-mention siya igit program ra dive ma tour guiding. Minister Jenkins sa mention siya program ra construction technology kung amo modifier ngin mo IT So a question nga kasing because apparently kasi marangal ka sila to la school ang sibodil directly go into the workforce as they choose to do so. Mangaling ako ra assessment blame maker ngil wasi ngarang sorry rarangal kan morni alu kompulati activity by activity o meser ngi sen moral mor mata.
Halebak ens akma enser nga ke pere minister mdi mamsa ngi. Seragim update ra a national youth policy. Egi mirula survey rarangal ra school rogul giblorngi. Algor oger tirap to golger. Yatarnya was ngarasen number 1 el gora somel mo mururni obum klolad. And guess what the number 1 answer was? US military. Mang bulgulak mo arada admaira Senator Diaz, edioreng singrabe kalsilsum asorel de mo soldado rogui. Mang aku agim lo mesengit pumhal amle ngungila marketing effort tra soldado. Letrige mo regal school, recruit mo da durtir, mo sa durtir. E promiser tir up to kol rose. Magi aguk tigi bilti gani mo tel to kora kang godang number 1 el ngania email tela el adlo rior tel rior velaw mang agim lo mesengit mo seme kasingile I think we're capturing them too late by the time el bora PCC el mora School of Excellence etrup na build ka karo sa luldo swir matletelir ngladal exposed to tourism mang leul tu regegi del kora assessment kama magitilu kami tikusa ta kora tourist ebol msisi outreach kama mal mortikal ngal rasku lida katil belaw aktire kam nam godul mora mystery le karakwa ma pon kari ngal giul interested bodo ngasertir pokadam karang e bai adalong le la freshman al mo senior ebol lo tengi rogul tilang tingila to kola karang kodang belaw yatara hotel positive pero mselme lo ditil masaw tirangal Ningarnya selmesa madalangal kalmas bebula 4 seasons and di kilobo kamadal. Leng namo madanget mungarnya white tagi del teletera oriol ngar belaul ngaria kakaro sa trukting laudio ra alsel. Let's ML morsel cook apprenticeship ra a Maldives lo magala 4 seasons litada. El tarrak SM المسوب المو chef كمسوب المو chambermaid كمسوب المو master diver المو instructor even مو أمقال رابيلاس من سيجد الغوبس الexposure عمله جد الغورة أو سبيرنيل المستري را تلقيب الغورة أو سنجل تل industry جد ربيلاو.
The element of the student surveys, every year we actually do ask students where they're going, what their options are. And the number of our students, the number one option for this graduates is PCC. That's where the vast number of our students go. Off-island education, smaller. And the most popular of the academies has been the construction technology, which we are upgrading to a more construction. So it is, but primarily, as Mrs. Batul was saying, a lot of what the students were doing. We keep turning this off. A lot of what our students are acting on is lack of understanding as to what is out there in their careers, and that's one of the beauties of this. Is what we finally have understood is that in the school, we can only provide so much. We need to utilize the experts outside of the school. So we're coordinating with the Four Seasons, who is a world-class resort, to show the students all the different career paths they may take. That's what we're trying to do with these, is to give students an idea as where they can go, what their interests are, and their abilities as soon as possible after school. My son is joining the military. I'm not happy about it.
Okay, I got a question. I've been quiet because I do a lot of listening. This is my first time here. And on top of that, President going to be my guest tomorrow on the updates. According to the calendar in my office, it's just that we're going to be having updates tomorrow. So some of these questions I'm going to ask the President tomorrow. So I gave them an opportunity to ask their questions because they only see him once in a while. But anyway, I got a question. I want to ask a couple questions. Hal do Dr. Belawe. Lo sutra ngaur. Brian Nicholas Samle Sura Kabelmentra Miguel Kabelmentra Belau. Kadagiril ger segid el issue.
Umsa Mr. Obia.
Senator Diaz kumsulara agere katakoram le expecta kora telgibiligan di ka di pumengo igdelo tungi dara kortama kawa matingi ma ngirmang matingi marbekla adal was igal lo suta kora atelgibel meringa la malubang matarap sula do sauda ko makai lom sodel kerdi matingel wasing miraela Serar fala lo sut el merelang, ak understand el was ya kabel mentar Miguel amlo tuwa bata. Endi ngarinya akuk lo sut sa ngarinya tablo level ringi. Tete idro bata rakot, artial ko kam sao tama uriol marare lang. Endi ongerul el step para udora adir galom da sulwasing alsukumang hindi akal guk lemgatmok lagi el guk udeswir ma lolgor elang ero guil adal mutel el moringang clear seimang maraila alda du indi ulang gora katagarigi kra alda du elang namodial seltal komendeng lo seltal boringa geisera korteng namodial sedel mga du tirgel adonga du kadmora adara la ararata ma ayegi dia kora saya dengar ngiri elangnya. Mera laudor, waisi.
Reef fish exportation, Victor. Arado nga outside the audience, nga outside, got questions. Kadagiril gerda, agora exportation reef fish.
Man sulara milgare tulige. My understanding as a proposal will consider opening an export diri ka nga Senate. Nariya pabilingil men solicita comments magi toba comments rigidra ministry mong understanding akwasya committee di reversal proposed bill.
Okay, thank you. Last question, President. Reapportionment. Relatul oidra blue, Bakarus, el Dadu Amran. Namo enough our members of the commission, Namos Moria reapportionment.
Namori are 6 members board commission. Ngaria one aldrig pending Senate. Di kada mo ask tira sa mga maybe next week able conduct a meeting team hopefully team re but saya kora update gira la commission
Timlege gida akarik suara tunga Michael Ngumsa Kiabelao.
Saul, the two questions nga ika the matter of updates. Mora Minister Victor. Minister 2 weeks ago kadam lelaw sa self project ako with. Akpal ko di interested mo bringir sila tupaya tial up. Nganyar adal mlataon loader ni mergo nganyar adra ser sa Michael Magit na sois para alsel.
Musalong Mr. Soler akri me understanding akmo ko mora sab edel sign up mora sel website makna sign up mo yo meseng taptokar adal mla sign up mo spera tial tupaya sel project ako with Ding dinakakar adal update mo sengara dala milir tadi mlalo ang clear ma deng wartir so sel dabong sab edal o mesel waseng malbatokar adal mla register sel so adal mo mnangila kwasem ay di sitrigar at mal telang malal mangaral dalon tela o babi tela o mal siya next step doral budulngi
Sulay madiras question nga kay Mr. President. Mr. President, tial position na special prosecutor. April creep sa amlom asira August and then we are nearing 6 months so para tiya ka appointment makwadi so alkwadi. Pero sa mkwadi update rin ra next special prosecutor.
Hindi ang malungil gere kadamral lo siga gere ulte allo asem kadamara recruiter adralla. Mga na reach out to mga ambassador ma uka court ma lo sigaradan din maral di ka sedem tigaradan mal aluk mo tabdi lo sen deka ngari vacancy maybe uk mo tabdi maybe ngari adan mo apply but we need people imran bin dollar adar alla al me irtelu rior mo so ngagiral siya na ngagiral nexel Gira de lo missing. Gira morba para I don't know Chief Justice. Gira de Mral will say, but yeah, Mral bring na to sigara.
Salary too low.
Salary too low.
Sel ngara sel so men dagal semel appoint rather within 6 months SP kidel appoint I mean H kidel appoint SP Maria Coral Dolo Mangala H kidel say February I think is the 6 months.
Masih dia kata ada dulu mungkin H kidel lah. She knows. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what is all announce kilo kora activity relal week. Kotro le kadman merenga sulera cat team. Trian artera la Navy uk moria turnover tira elal seeds. Uk moria besel team el Army. Kadman merenga sulir uk urere gana umrega lelol melbuila. Dirigal so kan congratulate Blue Australia Day. Negirel ngaria game sel ngari sel cricket game negirel ngari tiagirel ma postpone le ngor ngaria ul di mori ra uri ul ay giram le reclaimer tiale giblem lus ringira last year dirigal chodro ay so Sons of Surior amrur second annual youth day forum tiang se lo hacen parte del milisi era ayudar yid morir tial mail February 9 kada mal mrenga sulir se lureri luka o mesra yudri da milisi irtir tiang of course en mo fitr sel ya timri gedra rak investing in our children or kada malget taqran ngalget niktira amral kisi ala balwad magada mal mrenga sulir ureri dirigal تقوبت سلسلس من غير درو وماذا وش ترى هابي بورداي كان كواجوليت ترى تجايد روك لا تونغ تبتغل كلامتلا كلام تير لوك مشهور أدر بيلاو من السلسلة بورداي era Miss Naomi Iraget ga sensera koro kayang elementary school dirigan ngaria other day Pedro ngara solid waste management dirigan ngaria Methos Edward Jr. ngara fire and rescue last Joyce Antonio nga dalala Miss Pelamang happy birthday tiga return Friday kada wish them a happy birthday umrolil mermey mal congratulate ngal Miss Antonio ra yim lom ter bela o te khabal bela المرة باسيفيك ما بلولاد مقدمال أمرنا سولر سل النيا أبلغ رجعني لوم تيرا بلواد مقدمال دي مرنا سولر دريق البورديرا أيار قال كاميرا مان هابي بوردي أوه يا كلوليا لويسه يل بتوقع يوليا لويسه كمرال كمرال دي موت مرنا سوليو ara uka teledel asadel ado do gidem magamiu elo ai sagar ai sen mar adrablu kau tutela ureriu elen gado uka it holds us accountable and more gamiu adrablu
make a correction I'm sorry sel tele update program gaura was but make a mistake it's the 15th of February
okay
yeah
مسؤولة الويسي adiós el no me قلت ترى بك الأدر بلاو إلى الأول من قلت ترى بالواد وما المسؤولة ما 2 weeks from now